Hey guys, how's it going? It's Justin here again from Simplified Investing. I wanted to put together a weekly watch list here for you guys so you guys have some plays into next week and something to watch. Before I get started, if you could like and subscribe to our channel, it would be greatly appreciated. We are pushing towards 550 subscribers, and I truly cannot thank each and every one of you enough. Also, if you could head to simplifiedinvesting.site if you're interested in more about what our team offers with our course alerts and live streams, we would love to have you guys on board. All right, so getting started, as you guys know, I like to break down the market, how we did in the past day. You can see we did have this week close here on Friday. Especially in the after hours here, you can see this selling off here on SPY after hours down to the 306.06 bid. It's rather widespread here, but you can see after hours here pushing down even farther, breaking this key 307.30 support that we've been constantly mentioning to the team. You can see we were trending in between this 310.98 top and then this 307.30 bottom. You can see we retested this. We formed this reversal doji candle here on this 307.30 bottom here. And what I was seeing on close is look at the strongest volume of the day was on this very strong bearish candle right here, selling off into close here. Even look at all the strength here after hours, weak to the downside here. You can see over here, right here on /ES, this is going to be SPY futures. You can see that we also are breaking this 30.90 level, which we're trying to maintain, break below that, and sell off even further. So really what I'm going to be watching for into tomorrow, obviously futures are going to be opening at 5 o'clock here Central Time, watching to see if we can indeed reclaim this 30.91.12 level. And really what I'm watching for SPY tomorrow is can we retest and break above this 307.33 level for a push to this 310.99 level with an ultimate target of 312.85, or if we do indeed confirm this reversal through this bottom here and sell off back towards this 303.70 level and below that at 301. If you go out on the yearly chart here, you can see we're getting a lot of volume in this area. Now, recently we haven't had very much volume at all. You can see on this sell-off, obviously we had a lot of volume, and volume is slowly fading on this push up here. Again, watching a retest, of this 303.88 bottom. And then we have this bottom here also at 307.30, and then up here at 310.89 is going to be the top. Really not liking this pattern formation here on SPY. We'll be watching this into Monday, watch how we close, see if we can get a better idea of a direction. Really right now we're consolidating, not a very strong trend recently, so that is something to keep your guys' eye on. The first one that I was watching, and one that we've mentioned to the team several times previously, is going to be GLD. This has been on one of our previous watch lists a few times actually, simply because this sideways trading pattern here that we get all the way from 4.9 here. You can see this side-to-side movement here in between 158.41 and then this top here at 165. We get this strong close here right at 164. You can see after hours we're breaking through this. Really, ideally, what I'm going to be watching is a breakout here of this 164.96 level for a push to highs, or even a push through retest intraday of this top level here, and then enter calls as we push to the top side here. Again, you can see we got rejected here, sold off right here to this 159.18 level. This is something too that you could play the downside. If we get this reversal candlestick here with a lot of sell volume here, then you can play puts to the downside, ideally down to this 160 area right here. However, we are closing, and we did close with quite a bit of volume here and strength here on Friday. So that is something to consider. Zoom in on a shorter time frame here. Zoom out on this. Really, what you're seeing is finally a push through this 164.30 area here after close. That is something to watch on open here on Monday. Watch to see if we can break this 164.80 level here for a push to highs, or ideally push through, retest of this bottom, and then push up again to play calls. Or if we do indeed get rejected here intraday on Monday, we will be watching to play puts to the downside on GLD. Second one, as you can see down here, is ROKU. I'll bring it up here so you guys can see it. ROKU has been one that we have found great success on recently, simply due to its pattern and the consistency that you can see from ROKU. So zooming out on the 1-year 1-day, this is really what I was seeing. We get a doji candlestick forming here on the 1-year 1-day. You can see this doji right here. We are seeing more volume coming in here on Roku recently. There are rumors that Google will be buying them out. However, it's tough to know if those rumors are actually true or if this artificial pump in Roku is just due to the fact or the anticipation of that. However, doji candlesticks are typically a sign of a reversal or a slowing down of a trend. We are getting a doji candlestick here at this 129 top. I'm watching this one on Monday to see if this is indeed a confirmation of the trend reversal here back down to 124.34. Retest this level for another run up here. Or if we do in fact break this, retest this 117 bottom and then down here at 113.45. Again, this is something that I will be watching on Roku here. We are getting this higher lows right here. We're getting these very strong bullish candles here, and we're forming this doji candlestick here at 129 area, getting more volume here recently as well. We do have the strongest bottom here at 102.71 and a very strong top here at 133.32. Again, those will be levels that I personally will be watching for plays for the team and myself come Monday. The last one that I was watching is going to be NVDA. This is actually going to be a bearish pattern setup here. Look at this hammer candlestick here at this top at 370.63. You can see the buyers and sellers have pretty much been gridlocked recently in between this 367.90 level and then right here at 370 from Thursday all the way to Friday. You're not seeing very much movement here at all. A very weak volume day here on Thursday, and we did fail to close above this 370 level here. Ideally looking for a retest of this 361.83 bottom here for a put play down to this level, and watch for a retest of this to hold and push back up to highs and break out here at 371.60, or if we do in fact break through this and sell off back down to this 348.35 bottom, which will be the strongest support here on NVIDIA. Again, very weak day here. We can see on close, we're really consolidating on this level. Even on open, we broke through here, retest, push up, retest here, and we're selling off here into close here, and now we're breaking below this level. Again, watch either the break above this level here at 371, or if we do confirm a break of that in a bearish pattern here, setting up on NVIDIA for a put play towards 362. Again, before you guys enter any of these trades, use your own due diligence. This is just the technical analysis and things that I'm seeing, as well as plays that I'm watching. As always, if you could check out our team at simplifiedinvesting.site, it would be greatly appreciated. And if you guys enjoy these videos, give a thumbs up and even leave comments down below on what you guys are watching. We're always interested in plays that you guys are watching and potential plays for us to even look at. As always, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and thank you.